Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to unbox and do quick first impressions on the Rode Videomic Pro. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Again, Rode Videomic Pro. Alright, so we've got the shotgun mic here. This is going to mount on the hot shoe of your DSLR or camcorder, any device that you have with a hot shoe. This will fit on. It's got a 3.5mm auxiliary jack. Plug that into your camera and you can get much better audio quality. Let's see what's in the package here. Figure out how to open this. Okay. Alright. There we have it. It's pretty small. You can see compared against my hand here. It's, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. It's got a screw here that you can tighten up once you get it onto your hot shoe, so you can clamp it on nice and tight. You can change the decibels on here. So what that will do is it will take away the hiss in any video that you hear in the background. Also, it has a green light that will light up so you know when the device is powered on. So, next up, we're going to plug this into the camera. We're going to do a quick audio test so you can tell me the difference and tell me what you hear is better before or after. So let's give it a shot. Okay, now I've got the Rode Shotgun Videomic attached to my DSLR. You tell me, is the audio quality better? Worse? I'd like to see in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you next time.